Hello friends of Toni's Veggie Garden, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do an experiment. We're going to sprout a tomato. We take a tomato, which we may have bought in a supermarket, and we're going to try to sprout it. Let's get started. To do this, we have to remove this green part, which we don't need. What we need the most is the center where the seeds are, or most of them are. So we're going to slice it about half a centimeter thick. That's about a fifth of an inch, like this. Can you see all the seeds are there? We're taking the tomato and we're cutting it in half centimeter slices, about a fifth of an inch, like this, perfect. And we can eat this. Now we have filled a fairly wide pot with a special substrate for seed beds, which we can make ourselves or buy it. I leave here a video of how to do this special substrate for seed beds, and let's pour out tomato. Now let's place the middle tomato slices horizontally, which we have got about 1/5 of an inch thick. We have them on the pot like this, one next to the other, great. Now let's cover our tomatoes. We're going to cover them with our special substrate for seed beds, about half centimeter deep, 1/5 of an inch, not more. We don't have to cover them much, just enough to get them covered. To finish, we'll water this with our homemade sprinkler. It's very important that the tomato always keeps the substrate moist. It likes the moisture. Therefore, we should always care for the substrate not to get dried. We water it so that the tomato sprouts earlier. Besides the water, the tomato loves the heat, so we'll leave it in a good temperature zone, inside the house or in the garden. And in a few days, we'll see how it's doing. The tomatoes are already sprouting. You can see where the slices were. This one must have been less deep because it has sprouted long before. It's really noticeable, and in 5 days or so. Here's a slice, this is where the other slice would be, and there would be the third tomato slice. Can you see they are all sprouting? It's been 10 days, and the tomatoes keep growing. It's incredible. They are already growing true leaves, like this one. It's a true leaf. And these ones are much more developed. And we're going to take out any weaker plants we see, and we're going to leave the strongest. And a little bit later, we'll transplant them to their definite place. You have already seen how easy it is to sprout this tomato. It's been a very interesting experiment. If you like this kind of experiments, I give the video a thumbs up. If you want to know more tricks like this one, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!